Oh, it's that time again. I've just heard something finish. We haven't had the beep, 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 beep yet, but I know it's finished. We have piglets. Look at them bad boys. Let's do this one. Oh, there's the beep, beep, beep. So it took 10 hours. There's the pigs. So, oh my word. Hey. Look at this bad boy. Oh, what do you think of him? Oh, I love this little pig. And it worked out, and they all worked out. Not one single issue for a change. And to be honest, touch wood, these lions even, they're doing well at the moment, but let's go.